Pingua.
Hello everyone, it's Becky from Pingua. Welcome to episode 1 in our Scratch Basics series. This episode will introduce you to the basic Scratch working environment, where we will explore the different sections of the Scratch editor. To create a game, interactive story, animation, or artwork in Scratch, you must add code to tell a sprite exactly what to do. A sprite is a computer picture that will follow your commands, and the Scratch editor automatically starts with a cat sprite for all projects. This area here is called the Sprites pane. You can add new sprites, delete a sprite, and see all of the different sprites that you've added in your project in this area. Any sprites added will appear on the stage, located here. The stage is the area where you will see your code come to life. You can think of this area just like a Broadway stage where actors perform on. This is where the sprites will follow the coded commands that you have put together in the code area, just like actors follow the scripts that's created for them. The stage is also the background of your project, and you can personalize it by adding different backdrops from the Backdrops library located here. You'll tell the sprites exactly what to do by giving them commands that are put together into a program. A command is an instruction to do a particular task, and those are shown in the form of code blocks that can be found in the Blocks palette located here in the Code tab. You can think of this area as your toolbox. All of the blocks are color-coded and can be found in the different categories on the very left side of the Blocks palette. As you can see, all of the motion blocks are dark blue and can be accessed by clicking on the blue motion category here. If I click on the Events category, I will have the option to choose from all of the events blocks that are the same color. A program is a group of commands listed together in a specific order. Think of a program like the steps you must follow in a cookbook to bake a cake. You'll build your program by choosing code blocks from the toolbox or the Blocks palette here and dragging them onto the code area here. You can think of this area as your sprite's empty brain, where you'll drag instructions for it to follow so that it can run them on the stage. The blocks can be clipped together in the code area to make a script. And just like the steps to baking a cake, or the script for an actor to follow in a play, the order of the blocks is very important. To start your program, click the green flag located here. And to stop your program, click the red stop sign here. You can enlarge your stage by clicking this button here. And you can minimize your stage again by clicking the same button. Finally, when you're done creating your program, click File here, and then Save to your computer. This is the end of episode 1 in our Scratch Basics series. Be sure to follow us on social media and sign up for our newsletter to receive updates on other online lessons, activities, tutorials, and more. Check out the next episode in our series where you'll learn how to add a sprite and a backdrop. Thanks for watching!